everybody. We got snow. The snow came very late last night. It actually didn't.
It's snowing really hard outside, Mom.
It's not snowing that bad. It actually did not start snowing until like 8, 9. Don't mind the hair, I'm washing it. I put some stuff in it last night to do like a treatment on it. But yeah, we got some snow. School was 2 hours late. So it is currently 9:04 in the morning. And yeah, the bus will be here in about 20 minutes. A lot of schools are closed around us, but not our school. What's wrong, Nico? Okay, so I'm going to pack their lunches so we can get that done. And then Chris and I have a chiropractor appointment at 1 or 2 today. And then there's Abby. Yep, that's what she was doing. Caught on camera. So we have to go do that today. And then I'm not sure what else I'm gonna do. The house is not as bad as it was yesterday. I mean, there is a lot of dishes, but we had an issue.
Why do you think we're leaving so late?
Early out.
We'll probably all get into the...
Mom, we might get early out.
We can't get 2 hours late and then get it early.
Yes, you can.
It's not.
Mom, why did you open this?
Yeah, why'd you open the trunk, dog?
Oh, I didn't.
It smells like French fries.
Oh yeah, Jasper the ghost.
It smells like Mickey D's.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Y'all eat Mickey D's?
Without me?
Yeah, without us.
You guys know it would be gone in a second.
Walking in a winter wonderland.
It's so
Gone
cool.
away.
This would be the one day it would actually be fun walking, which is how beautiful it is. Oh my god.
Wait, did Argentina?
Hey Mom, I put it on my phone.
They're in the World Cup.
Seriously?
Yeah, just go. Just go.
No, just run down and go get it.
Just, Mom,
Do you want it? Yes or no?
can you just drop it off at school?
No, I'm not driving to school and dropping the off.
Fine.
Do you want it?
Yes.
Going to miss the bus because Nico forgot his phone.
Don't get mad on camera.
Oh,
Don't get mad on camera.
Calm down, don't get too heated. Yeah, it's getting a little too heated in here. You just need to all calm down.
Where's Chris at?
He's down by Adam.
Mom started
Is he?
eating, and I said,
Yeah, I saw
okay,
him.
Mom, we're gonna turn the heat on cool because you're starting to get too heated in here.
Mom, I only wasted a minute.
I want a hippopotamus for Christmas.
It's sitting right next to you.
See, I literally said.
Wait, what if we get bus 1 again?
We probably are. So
Bro,
reason why
I swear, I'm guessing that there's gonna be so much kids late. And who would that be? That does not look like Adam.
It's Chris.
That's Chris.
It's gonna say Adam.
Adam's in his truck.
Why is Chris with Adam?
Because he's talking to her. Because he's snowblowing.
Wait,
do the white skin stare.
What, Antonio?
You look like a demon with your all white face.
No, you're supposed to do the white skin stare.
I'm sorry,
I don't
Mom.
even know what that is.
You call me on.
So we are on our way to go to the chiropractor right now, and then we're gonna get something to eat, and then I have to run to Walmart. Are you okay with that?
Do I have a choice?
No. Well, yeah. You have a choice in everything in life. So I took a shower and I washed my hair this time. Feels 1,000% better. And there's like clouds out all over the place. And I did not have enough time to straighten my hair, so instead I just kind of went with the curly look. Do you like it?
Yeah.
So anyways, we're going to the chiropractor, we're gonna go out to eat, stop at Walmart, and then go home. I have some packages in the back of the vehicle. I used different products today. I used all of the products that I got from Sephora. I think I told you guys that. I did a haul. I will be uploading that after.
She did a haul, alright.
I will be uploading that after Christmas. So I'm filming for after Christmas and January. So then there's no reason for me not to have a video go up.
Put me back on. I have an update. So here's a little update for old homeboy over here. Clipped my toenails today, okay? And let me tell you something. It's a pain. Got a big old gut I gotta work around. So I'm all, you know, bent up like a pretzel on the end of the bed. My back hurts. I'm trying to keep the lid on the garbage can open with one foot while I got the other one jacked up in the air trying to clip her without cutting myself. My pinky toes aren't the same. I got one that grows normal and the other one I think I broke the toe about 18 damn times growing up because I'd always whack it on the edge of the wall or something when I was running through a doorway. So now the nail's all like that, so I gotta be careful with it. Blew a lot of snow today with the new snow blower. It was pretty good. I think I got it broke in real nice. But yeah, got my toenails clipped today, and that's the highlight of my day. I don't look forward to it ever. I wish I had someone I could just say, hey, can you do my toes, and it's just done. I hate clipping my toenails. I don't even like clipping my fingernails, but it's a lot easier to do because I don't have to work around this whole thing. Ah! That's it. It's enough of an update.
Do you guys see what I have to deal with?
You don't have to. I can let you out.
It's my vehicle.
I've seen it both ways.
We are going to eat at the Good Life, so I'm excited about that because I have been craving that place. And yeah, I have not eaten anything today yet, so.
Really?
Really? I have not eaten. Oh, that's a lie. That's a complete lie.
Knew it.
When I was making the kids' lunch, I had 2 potato chips. 2 sour cream and onion chips. I didn't eat. So to me, it's just a habit. It's just like you put it in and then it's just like.
Gotta break them bad habits.
And then when I put the second one in, I realized like, I don't even need this. I don't even want this chip. Like, why am I doing it? But it's just a habit of mine that I think eventually it will break. Don't you think so? Don't you think so? Don't you think so?
For shizzle.
For shizzle. My nizzle. Actually, I don't even want to go, to be honest. Chris makes me these appointments.
Why wouldn't you want to go?
I hate getting my neck cracked. I hate that. Is his vehicle there?
But do you like feeling good about life?
Okay.
What do you mean okay?
I mean, I do want to feel good. Did you see that cop?
Yeah, he had earphones in.
He had earbuds in, and he was driving, and he's a police officer. Get his badge number. Let's call Corey.
I'll just get his attention. Come pull me over, bitch.
The way you said that. Oh, my hair's starting to look ratty. Oh, no, 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 no. No, no. Honey, do your no, no, no.
Oh, no, no, no.
I love it when he does that.
Her ear hurts?
Well, I don't know. But okay, we are actually here now, so bye. Okay, so we just got done with the chiropractor. He got so many cracks and, what do you call that, hon? Cracks?
Well, what do you mean?
It was like snap, crackle, pop on my back.
Who put a tree in the middle of the road?
Honey, that is their tree for the city. Let me show you guys the tree. That's the tree for our city. You know how New York City has their tree? Well, this is ours. Oh my gosh, it's very bumpy. Look at that tree. It's beautiful. It's just missing so many branches. And they decorate it and they do like a candlelight thing. It's crazy. Okay, we're gonna go and eat right now. This is so good. You want to take a drink? You don't like strawberry or raspberry? This is good. And my hair is like, the curls are like, the fake, not good. The real, not good. The fake, it's all shit. Let's just be honest. My husband's always on his phone. He says that he's working, but he hasn't brought home a paycheck yet for, what, like 3 years? But he works really hard on his phone with whoever he's talking to. I want a thumbnail. I want him to take a picture, and this is what he does. He freezes.
How about a toenail?
We're so loud. He won't take a picture of me.
No one else
for the
in here is
thumbnail.
loud except for you.
No. I'm gonna watch his back. And
You're gonna watch who's back? I'm gonna watch his back.
I'm gonna watch this back, and if you're the one being loud, no Christmas.
I haven't even said anything. This is the first I've talked all day.
Really? Your throat is sore. Ew. What's that face for? I love him, you guys. I really do. I just wish that there was only half of him. And no, I'm not talking about you. I knew he was going to think about the size. I'm not talking about the size. I'm talking about your personality. We are at Walmart right now, and we need to find an L and a Z, and my husband won't help me. He won't help me. We are back from town. We went to Walmart. I only filmed a little bit in Walmart, and then I stopped because my camera battery died. But yeah, we went to Walmart. We ended up getting the stockings for the dogs. We were not able to find the one with their initial on it, so we just got some red with some white, like the normal kind of stockings. So I picked up, how many did I get? I think I got 5. I got one for Zoe, one for Leo, one for Ginger, one for Ginger, one for Kitty Cat, and one for the kittens. So I am thinking I'm going to use my Cricut to create names for it so I can put the names on there. And yeah, but it's like 5:30 right now. So this vlog is not going to be that long. We are supposed to get a huge storm tomorrow. The school is already 2 hours late, so there is no chance that I'm going to be able to make it to town tomorrow if the roads are that bad. So we'll just have to wait and see. But if I do get to town tomorrow, you guys, I'm going to be doing my favorite giveaway of this year. I'm super excited about it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.